So on this one, we're doing an example of a reflection over two lines. In this case, we're doing find the final image of B double prime when triangle ABC is reflected over the line x equals -1 and then y equals 1. So first we're going to reflect it over that orange line you see there. All right, and if you remember what I said in an earlier video about reflections, we want to make sure that we go straight across that line. We want to keep our distance to that line the same on both sides. So here's what that looks like now. I got the pen working. So the distance from A to that line would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spaces. So we need to go 6 spaces over this way. And there would be our first point A. And we do the same with B. B is 7 away. So we're going to go 7 away on this side. And there is our B. And lastly, we're going to take C, which is 5 units away. And we'll go 5 units over on this side. And there is our C, our new C. I'm going to erase some of this stuff out of the way so we can see our coordinates a little better. Sorry, it's not beautiful, but it gets the job done. All right, so there's that image. Now we got to reflect it one more time over y equals 1. So we're going to use the same method. We're going to count the spaces. This time I'm going to try to keep it a little neater maybe. So let's go with A. Okay, A is 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces. So we got to go 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces down this way. So here's my new coordinate for that guy. Let's put this in blue. All right, let's look at the next one. So B is 3 spaces, 1, 2, 3 spaces down. So it's 1, 2, 3 spaces down to this new point here. So that is my B prime. Now technically that's my answer, but I'll keep going and go ahead and do C prime for you just because I want to be nice. 1, 2, so 1, 2 more. There's our new C. Okay, so there is C prime. And so there's the new shape. I know it's not pretty. I'm trying to do that quick there, but you get the point. All right. Good luck.